Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday morning. We're doing our usual driving to Jack's house, and today I think we're going up Craighall Gorge. Now, forecast wet, damp, like a winter day today, so not good, folks, but let's see how we go on. We've been stopped.
Oh, look at the big load coming up.
Oh, what's that? Oh, it's just a...
I thought it was stopping us for having a big load of bro in the passenger seat.
Thunderbirds are go.
Was that it? Well, he's pushing past. Look, we're retro today.
So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, not said that for a while.
No.
I'll say it one more time. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to our Sunday Spiz jaunt in the rain. And today, as I said on the video a minute ago, we're on our way to Craighall Gorge.
Craighall.
Craighall Gorge.
Craighall?
Craighall. A gorge.
Craighall is the comedian. There'll be Craighall, yes.
A gorge near Blairgowrie.
Indeed.
And we're going to have a walk through that. There might be a big waterfall there today, maybe, with the rain.
Oh, yes. There's a scene of Bro's famous waddle. Maybe you went down that wee viaduct and you waddled up the...
Was that what that was? Oh, yes, I remember.
To replicate your waddle.
Yes, okay. Watch out for the waddle later, folks. Right, we have arrived. Je arrive. Nous arrivons dans la gorge de Craighall.
Now today, folks, you may notice I've gone back to my retro monopod. I started the selfie stick craze way back 3 or 4 years ago. I had this and people said, oh, how'd you do that? And that's how the selfie stick was born. Thank you.
Well, thanks for that bit of history there. Yes, in the olden days we used to call it a spiz stick.
A spiz stick, that was it, yeah.
And it's before the selfie sticks were invented, really.
Yes, indeed.
And all the Japanese tourists used to come up to us and say, hey, what is that? What is that? Yes, that was back in the day. So we're walking along the gorge here, and there are waterfalls and castles and things to see, but because there's so much foliage, we might not see it. So here's the bridge, folks. I used to drive across this when I went skiing on the old road. I think that up there was a traffic light because it was one way. There's even a car sign. But yes, this was in action until what year, bro? 1990 something?
1990, yes, must have been 93, 94.
93, 94 to build the new road, which is just up there. So Jag's heading across. Right, we are on the bridge sur le pont de le Craighall. Yes, my French is dos. Très bon. Bonjour to all les viewers, air français, air espagnol, Deutsch, Italia. Welcome. There's a big drop down there to the gorge. That's where we were trying to get to, but I think it's going to be impassable because there's not an actual path. Yes! Oh! Who? Is it? Who's this stranger in our midst? Who's this person coming into behind the scenes? The sound. Right, down we go. We're going to see if we can get to the edge here and see if we can get a view of the gorge. Right, it's like a long drop down there, folks. Not going to risk going to the edge. If all these trees were gone, you could see, but it's just nothing. Lunch rest.
Waddle.
There it is. We're in and we're waddling. Oh yeah, hang on, I'll get a picture too. What was that? Okay, and back we go. Space! Oh. This is the widest bit.
There it is. Super stuff. Hold on, bro. 10 out of 10 on the bottom. He's doing it, folks. Here he goes. There he goes. Yes, well done, bro.
We're in and we're waddling.
He's waddling. There he goes. It's the bro waddle. Fantastic. Well done, bro. And he's coming back. Wait to get a photograph there, bro.
I'll get a picture too. So there we go, folks. Check out Jag's channel for my waddling expeditions from afar. A bit muddy though. Okay. This is going to be the worst bit. Getting back up now. And there they go. Across the bridge. Jag lives and Kenneth Rodger. Check out their channels. Skies are dark, folks. Skies are dark. Right, folks, we seem to have lost Jack, Kenny's dog. I've had a look down here in the fields. I can't see him. And he's not up on the original road, so goodness knows where he is. Let's have a look down in this person's house. You can see him kind of running away. Jack! Jack! Oh dear. Right, folks, we can't find Jack. I just phoned Jag and I can't find him. Oh dear, this is a disaster. Jack! Jack!
Right, this is really serious now, folks. It's been 20 minutes and still no sign of Jack anywhere. Bro's gone down to the waterfront, sort of working his way up. I'm standing here looking along this bit and Kenny's gone in there. Oh, this is really worrying, man. Really worrying.
The search for Jack goes on. We can't find him. This is a disaster. Right, still no luck, folks. 10 minutes later, still no sign. There he is, folks. We found him. We found him. 4 hours later. It's now tea time. There he is. He's just down there. I've just stopped for lunch, folks. So as I've seen there, we found Jack. Eventually, he was down beside the water.
Check out my channel. There's far more action clips on it than Bro's.
Behind the scenes, it was just really, not much action today. So yeah, we've stopped for lunch, and we're having rolls and coffee and all that usual stuff.
Sun's come out again.
So that was our friend Kenny Rodgers there. That's the first time we've actually met him. Well, I think Jag's met him before.
Yeah, I've been out with him a couple
I've never met Kenny before. Watch all his videos. So nice to eventually meet you, Kenny. Hopefully meet up again soon.
Yes.
So we're now on our way back. What's over that bridge there?
That's the gorge.
Heading back now to Dundee.